So we are back in Hall 6 live on FITV, and I can tell you exactly where we are because we're behind the giant screen where you'll be seeing the Twitter wall and all these interviews going out across the course of the Food Ingredients Europe exhibition. Don't forget, of course, the hashtag FIEurope if you want to get involved. We're on the Prinova stand and I'm joined by Tony Gay, who's the Nutrition Sales Manager for Prinova. Tony, tell us a little bit about Prinova as a company.
So Prinova was actually started in 1978, and we started off as more of an ingredients training business, but now we've become the biggest global distributor for vitamin C and also B1. And over the last 5 years, we've actually progressed into adding more products to our range. And we've almost become now the one-stop shop for nutrition. So we can supply amino acids, proteins, vitamins, sweeteners, etc. And everyone can come to us for their nutritional needs.
Now, anyone who goes to a gym will know that sports nutrition is incredibly important to people who work out. Yeah. But it's going beyond that now, isn't it? It's now sports and lifestyle. How are you responding to that as a company?
Yeah, so we're actually quite aware of how it's migrating into the mainstream. Supermarket chains now have products on their shelves incorporating things like protein, vitamin premixes in cereals, also protein fortified in cereals. So we're seeing a much more, a vaster array of products that are on supermarket shelves. And for us, we've actually got a lot of ingredients which can go into that. So whether it's a protein, which should go into a cereal product, or a premix of vitamins and minerals, they can go into a cereal as well.
Consumers are getting far more alert to what's actually ending up in the products that they eat or they drink. And I know that you are very keen to make sure that that goes all the way through the supply chain. And you're looking at some exciting new developments, botanicals, for instance.
Yeah, botanicals is a key focus for us now. And we've got a couple of key partnerships. One is with a company called Iron Ingredients, and they supply botanical extracts specific for nutrition and also backed by clinical research. So we actually will partner with them for global distribution. And we've actually got a couple of products here today which we're sampling.
Yeah, let's see them.
So one is actually a creatine blend. Now, creatine is one of the most popular supplements for sports nutrition, but we've also integrated an iron ingredient called Selenium PF. That works synergistically with creatine to actually absorb it more efficiently by the body. And then on the other side over here, we've also got an electrolyte drink. And this one actually incorporates coconut water powder.
And our coconut's a big thing at the moment, isn't it? Consumers, very on trend.
Yeah, anything coconut is very big right now.
Why is coconut so important?
So it's actually got natural electrolytes in it, and also it helps the digestive system as well. So when you perform in sports, you don't want to inhibit digestion. So something like coconut water can help with that as well.
Tony, can we do a taste test?
Yes, of course.
Which would you recommend?
I would try this one.
Okay.
So this is actually a strawberry lemonade flavour. So.
Okay, so yeah, that comes across as a very clear strawberry lemonade, nice sweet taste to it. What else am I imbibing whilst I'm enjoying the flavour?
The biggest focus on that one is also the stevia blend. So it's a natural stevia blend which could actually support those kind of nutrients as well. Stevia previously was perceived as maybe slightly different to, say, other sweeteners like sucralose, but stevia now is much better in terms of its generations from previous ones. So this is much more functional now. So.
Who are you looking to see at FIEurope? Who would you like to come and have a chat with you about what you're achieving in this field on your stand over the course of the next 3 days?
So it's any companies that manufacture powdered products, beverages, bars, ready-to-drinks as well, and they're looking for something new to bring to their customers, particularly things like iron ingredients, integrated into drinks, so ready-made beverages, and also powdered formulations. They'd be an excellent addition to actually make your product stand out from the crowd.
Well, Tony, you're clearly a superb advert for your products, and you very well eloquently explain what's going on with Prinova right now. Joy to meet you. Thank you very much for joining us on FITV. If you want to come on down, Hall 6, right behind the giant screen, Tony will have a chat with you and tell you what the company are achieving.